so fragile and small, you don't want to hurt them, you know. And they can like squeeze through anything. I like trying to get their mama. Kill their mama. Looks like I got two. Come on, that's the Fonz right there. He's the douchebag. Come on, Fonz. Come on, Fonzie. He hits. I don't really know.
This video is very exciting. Like I haven't seen.
They really want food. I mean, duh. But, come on, Fonz. Don't be a douchebag. Look at him. Such a douchebag. Why did I name him the Fonz? He's got a bad eye, too.
I like the black one. It's got attitude.
He's the shyest.
It's cute.
Yeah, he's got fluffy fur.
They're all pretty fluffy. He's very fluffy, though.
Yeah, he's the fluffy. Come on, Venom. Look how scared he is. Of nothing. Like, I'm not doing anything. Okay, I gotta get Venom. He's the worst. Look at me. He's food.
Scratch you?
Nah, he hissed. I thought he was going to. I think it was the Fonz who hissed. Nah,
Kind of scary.
I know. The Fonz is the worst. He'll come. He's pretty shy, but he doesn't like people. He's like, watch. It's Fonz. All right, come on. See, I didn't even do anything. He's just being a douche. All right, I gotta get Dora next. Dora's gonna be. Come on, Dora. I don't know why I named her Dora. Maybe after the bus driver. Remember that?
Kinda.
Fonz.
Dora the Explorer.
Yeah, that too. Venom.
He's a badass.
Who, Venom?
Yeah.
Named him Venom after the Spider-Man villain. That should show you how badass he is. Goes out of bed.
He looks kind of scary. I mean, it's cute, but he looks sinister. What color are their eyes?
Greenish. Some of them are green. Got him. Hi, Venom. Taking him over to the shed. I think the other two already ran back in there because I figured out how to get in there. All right, Venom. It's a pretty calm one once you get a hold of them. I think I'm going to hold them like this. I mean, they don't really like that much, but it's better for me because they're not scratching. Yeah, they're back, Mama. Oh, keep the kittens in here, Mom. Alright, I think I can get Dora next. I don't think I'm ever going to get the Fonz, though. He's so mean. He hisses and scratches. Like the other cat scratched by accident, you know? And Fonz does it. He's a douche. Never said that about an animal, but he's a total douchebag. But what he's got to do, he's pretty calm. Come on, Dora. Why did she used to always come up to me? Alright. Should I go for Fonz? Want to eat the food? The douche.
How many do you have in there so far? Just two?
These two.
3?
These two.
Oh, okay.
I don't know why she's so shy all the time. I got him. Hi, Fonz. He's really, like, skittish. One more. And I thought he was going to be worse than her. Because I can pick her up.
Kitten rescue.